My name is James Mertens. The name of our business here is Airmates Mobile Home Supply and Service. We've been in the business here at this location for approximately 5 years. I've been associated with the mobile home business since 1979 down in Midway Park, Jacksonville. And I enjoy this work. I've stayed in it. I had a 2-year absence from this in the 80s that I moved back to Michigan, but came right back down here when I was asked to open a new location in the Greenville area for RKS, and been in this area again doing the same thing, heating and air, electrical, and now we've branched out into all aspects of service work. AccuCharge, as it was in the old days, it was Quick Connect, and the great thing about Quick Connect, or currently now is AccuCharge, is it eliminates a lot of the need for tools that we don't normally have to carry in the mobile home installation business. One of the advantages that we've always had is with the Quick Connect or AccuCharge, it's a wrench type connection. Simple wrench connection, everything is pre-charged, you make that connection, that process is about a 20 to 25 minute process versus pulling out a welder, torch kit, fire bottle, safety gear to weld in a connection that's generally done in residential or commercial markets. That's been a huge advantage for us because years ago, we could do an install in an hour and a half. A 2-man crew could do an install in an hour and a half. That made that crew available for 2 or 3 of those installs in a day. Even today, we have a little bit more to do because systems are a little bit more efficient, more complicated. It takes us a little bit more time, but a 2-man crew can still accomplish the task in about a 2.5 to 3 hour period and have a accurately charged system that doesn't require follow-up. And that's always been a bonus with Quick Connect or AccuCharge. Well, certainly one of the things that I've seen a lot of in my 30 plus years now in this industry has been the fact that equipment's been merged. And all aspects of the mobile home industry put together whatever package they could based on price, not based on quality. One of the advantages certainly to having a system that is matched together, is built together, is engineered together, is the accuracy and the efficiency level that isn't normally there when you're putting together a mobile home setup. Part of those mobile home setups that we've seen over the years has been a train condenser on a Mortex coil with a Innertherm or Coleman furnace. And then we've seen where we had train air handlers with Coleman furnaces and Aspen A coils. And there was always these mix and matches, and there was no verification that the efficiency that the engineered design for these systems was there. Something that Revolv has done and done very well over these years has been the fact that they've put all this package together. We have the furnace, we have the option of an air handler versus a furnace, and we have the AccuCharge system that has an engineered coil and condenser that eliminate the guesswork. Makes it very easy for a team to go out, install a system, and know that the 13 SEER efficiency they're looking for, the 14 SEER efficiency they're looking for, and so on is there without a lot of technical support in order to find that out. It is certainly a selling tool when we can provide something that is all matched, something that has a history in this market. Now, Revolv being a new label, but still being the same engineered equipment that we've had for the last 30 years, we can pitch that equipment. We pitch it as a group, as a whole, as a complete system, and again, where we have the documentation to support the efficiency levels, the engineered levels that this system is supposed to provide for the homeowner. And the bottom line for the homeowner is always, how much money is it going to cost me to operate this system? And if the system is properly installed, is properly charged, and it's matched component, it's going to produce the efficiency the engineers designed for it. I started out in 1979 at RKS in Jacksonville, and we started out at a time when Stylecrest had just got into the distribution market in the mobile home industry. And we kind of grew up together, and there's been a slow meld, and there's been times were good and times that weren't so good. But there's always been an association with the Stylecrest. Stylecrest has provided a wide range of product. They continue to support the industry. They invest in the industry, which is something that's a little more unique from our other used to be 5 other suppliers out here. Now there's basically 3 solid suppliers, but Stylecrest invests, and they've shown that here in our location here. We have continually got the support that we required. When we need a little extra help, Stylecrest provides that help, not only in this industry, but in the support of this industry. And certainly we want to continue that relationship with Stylecrest and continue it for another 30 years if I'm still around. So I've enjoyed it.